Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make money on Temu in 2024. So whether you are a seller who's looking to boost your sales or maybe someone who is interested in affiliate marketing, Temu offers some variety of opportunities to generate some income. So in this video, I'll cover up the two methods of making money or generating money through Temu. So make sure to stick by. Let's dive right into this video and simply let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open it, go to this URL section. And here, just go and type temu.com. If it's your first time, of course, if it's your first time, you'll be taken to this page. In here, you can go and click on the sign in/register. And in here, as you can see, you can use your email or phone number, or you can use a Google, Facebook, Apple account, or even Twitter or X as it's called right now if you don't want to get through all the bonus steps of creating or even logging into your account. So once you're logged in, you'll find yourself normally in here, as you can see. So what we'll need to do, just scroll down to the bottom of the page, as an example. In here, we'll need two things. So how can you make money on Temu? With two things. With either this affiliate influencer earned commissions, or with partner with Temu. You have two options. So the first option, or let's just start with partner with Temu. So with partner with Temu, basically it's if you want to become a seller on Temu. Very simple, right? So partner with Temu, as you can see, Temu works with a variety of business partners and service providers to bring more affordable quality products to consumers. Temu Code of Conduct outlines standards for conducting business in an ethical, lawful, and responsive way. You can click in here to see our list of prohibited products. And basically, this list is not meant to be exhaustive. You can even see the content conduct. So if you plan to become a seller, this is like a must for you to read the code of conduct first of all. So read it, all of it. As you can see, 2 pages will not take from you like 10 minutes, not more, should not. And here, prohibited lists, as example, it's updated on 22 September. So 7 days ago. And as you can see, all the list of the products that should not sell. So if you're not planning to sell any of those, and you're good to go with the code of conduct, if you not become a seller, as example, you'll have to go and you can tag them through this email. So just go and copy this email, go to your email provider, get that email, and simply start working on your email. Tell them what products you're going to sell, why you want to sell on Temu. Of course, you can use some AI tools that can help you create your email, but don't make your AI create your own email because it's going to be obvious with because like AI is actually obvious when you create something with AI. Just someone who's used AI before, not who used before, but someone who uses it like constantly, they will definitely like knew that you're using AI. It will not look good for you. So use the help of AI if you don't have ideas or something like that, but don't make it or let it create like all the whole email for you. You can either, as we said, become a seller and start selling your products and make money on Temu, or you can become a logistic provider. Again, for your business, you can provide like some logistics. Again, maybe as an example in your area, so you will transfer like goods for them in your area, maybe in your city, in your country. As example, if you have a good or a big logistics, yeah, and you can contact them as well to make money for your business. So you have either these two, or you can become an affiliate, which is, I guess, the most like thing that's used here in Temu, especially for influencers because it's actually so good. So you'll get two things. As example, first of all, to become an affiliate, there's no earning limits, and you don't have to fill any applicants. You don't have to get accepted and become a partner or something like that. You don't have to do nothing. Just click on share to earn. You will get a link and you can start sharing that link, and that's it. You'll get some money. You'll get 10 to 30% commissions for, as example, orders placed within 30 days of your referral downloading app. So you can find here all the details about it, as example. And basically here, the commission rate, like why it's 10 from 30. So I'll tell you here with dollars. So from $0 to 50, you will get 10% commission rate. From $50 to $100, you will get 20% commission rate. And from $100 plus, you'll get 30% commission rate. As we said before, it should be within 30 days of your referral downloading app. Plus, other than that, you'll get another $5 extra Plus than this, for every referral who download an order and delivered. So you can even see the rest in here. So for everyone who's ordered something, downloaded the Temu app, ordered something and received it, you will get an extra $5 plus this sent to 30 percent from commissions. As you can see, isn't that amazing? And of course, plus inviting, you'll get a $2, so you'll get a lot of money. And of course, all this money that you'll get from affiliating, you'll find it here as, of course, as the Temu credits, as you can see. And you can also withdraw it to your PayPal. If you want to use the Temu credits to buy something, as example on Temu, it's up to you to buy whatever you want. And you can also, as we said, withdraw to PayPal if you have your money. Simply. So as we said, you'll have to share your link if people start buying. So if you are, I don't know, influencer or someone who's famous, at least if you have just 1,000 people who's trusting you to buy stuff, so this will be amazing. This will actually be amazing for you. You'll get money, commission plus $5 plus $2 of, as example, a bonus of getting in here, etc. And you can start securing withdrawals via Temu Credits / PayPal. So you'll be able to withdraw your money into your PayPal. Just connect to your PayPal account or enter the email of your PayPal account, and you'll get your money to your PayPal account. As you can see, so 2 ways of making money on Temu. Either you become a seller, as example, either you become a seller or provide like some logistics business for them. As example, maybe it's yours, maybe it's your friend or something like that. Or you become an affiliate and start earning commissions. And yeah, you'll get your money. You can withdraw those money into your PayPal account or start buying stuff from Temu with those money. As you can see, as simple as that. So that's how you make money on Temu. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.